Alright guys, in the last video we made it so that we could validate our register form and then submit a user, but notice that the user has a plain text password and we don't want that. We want to encrypt that using bcrypt. So we're going to go back to users.js in the routes folder, and let's go right under where we created the new user object, and we're going to say bcrypt.gensalt. Okay, so we're going to generate a salt here, and we want to pass in the characters. We're going to say 10, and then a callback function which will take in error and salt. Okay, then what we want to do is call bcrypt.hash, and in here we're going to pass in the password we want to hash. Now that's going to come from the new user object. So we're going to say new user dot password. All right, and then we're going to pass in that salt and then a function. Okay, and in that function we'll have error and hash. And then let's set the new user dot password to the new hash. Okay, and then we want to take everything we do here, the insert, and cut it, and then bring that in there in the callback. And that should hash our password. Alright, so let's save that, and we're going to go back to the register. Actually, you know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to delete the one that we put in there. Okay, let's delete this guy. Actually, I'm going to delete the whole database. So I'll say db.drop database. Alright, so now let's try this again. Okay, sign up. Passwords don't match. Okay, there we go. Now let's go use passport app, and then we'll do db users find. And now if you look at the password, it's much different. Okay, it's totally encrypted. So it's pretty easy to do that, to encrypt your passwords using bcrypt. There is a method we're going to have to run it through when we actually log in and compare, but that's not that difficult either. Alright, so that was a quick video, but I do want to break it up because the next video we're going to focus on logging in, and there's quite a bit to it. We need to set up Passport, we need to set up our local strategy, and then we'll go from there.